Children, now we have read all these words in the last video also, whole words, right? And now I'm going to repeat. Everyone, you all have to repeat after me, right? These are the new whole words from 1 to 6 we have. Let's read. Anywhere, anywhere, okay? ANYWHERE, anywhere, okay? Now the number 2, seen, 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 seen. Very good. Now the number 3, about, ABOUT, about. Now the number 4, next, 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 next. Now the number 5, would, 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 would. Now the last is inside, INSIDE, inside. Okay children, now repeat quickly all the words. Anywhere, seen, about, next, would, inside. Now children, you need to open SR7. Everyone quickly please open SR7, okay, in your reader book. See children, this is the SR7 and the story you need to read, where is Bhiku. Children, now what you have to do, मैम ने आपको जो भी होल वर्ड्स बताए हैं, आपको इस स्टोरी में जहाँ पर भी वो होल वर्ड्स दिखे, you have to circle them. I told you 6 new whole words. If you will see these whole words in the story, in any passage or in any line, then you have to circle them, right? You need to circle the whole words, right children? And you have to do it by yourself, okay? Now children, for reading and listening comprehension, you need to open SR9. Now what we will do, we have vocabulary words. We need to find the meaning of these words. Just a minute. See, decide, worried, spent. Even we have honey and energy. Okay children. Now I am showing you words in the notebook. See children, I have written 3 words, vocabulary words. Decide, worried. Just a minute, there is a spelling mistake. N will not come children, only the E will come, right? And the third is spent, spent, decide, worried. Okay children, now I am going to show you. Even in the last video I told you how you can, by using which steps you can get the meaning of the vocabulary word or the word, right? Just a minute, I am showing you. See children, steps for guessing the meaning of the word. Okay children, now the first step is look at the picture, right? What is the first step that you have to follow? Look at the picture means आपको पिक्चर को अच्छे से देखना है. द सेकेंड स्टेप इज रीड द सेंटेंस अगेन, रीड द सेंटेंस अगेन. आपको जो सेंटेंस में जो भी सेंटेंस है उस वर्ड से रिलेटेड, अबाउट विच यू वांट टू फाइंड द आंसर, find the meaning, then you have to read that sentence again, right? Now we have, I told you about that you need to underline the whole words in the story, right? That you will read. I am showing you one example. See, SR8, please open SR8 children. This is also the new whole word, right? Worried, I underlined it. Now what you have to do, if you want to know the meaning of this word, then what you need to do, firstly you need to look at the picture very carefully. इस picture को ध्यान से देखो. Then you need to read this word sentence completely. मतलब ये word जिस sentence में, उसको ध्यान से पढ़ो. Let's read. Mother is now sad and worried about Bhiku. Mother is now sad and worried about Bhiku. Now children, we have seen the picture. Again we can see the picture is here, right? आप पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखोगे, फिर आपका जो वर्ड है उस सेंटेंस को आपने रीड किया. मम्मा अब परेशान है और वरीड, आप उनके फेस के एक्सप्रेशन को देखो. आप मीन्स आपकी जो आपका जो नज़रिया है ना बच्चों देखने का पिक्चर को, वो एकदम परफेक्ट होना चाहिए, राइट। नॉर्मली वी ऑल नो दैट द मीनिंग ऑफ वरीड इज़ परेशान होना, चिंतित, बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो जाना, ठीक है। मतलब मम्मा बहुत दुखी है और बहुत परेशान भी है, ठीक है। सो लाइक दिस यू कैन फाइंड द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड्स, ओके children. Now in grammar, in the last video we have read about an adverb also tell us how much of an action is being done, right। मैम ने आपको ये बताया था ना कि एक्शन कितना, मतलब काम कितना हुआ है, राइट। वो भी आपको एडवर्ब के ज़रिए पता लगता है, यू कैन गेट इट बाय द एडवर्ब, राइट। सो वी हैव three adverbs about we have discussed in the last video, right। I'm showing you here, you can see children, here are the three adverbs about which we have discussed in the last video. Almost, first is almost, almost means lagbhag, almost means lagbhag। very, very, very means बहुत, very means बहुत। hardly, मुश्किल से, hardly means मुश्किल से। now children please open WS11 adverbs, okay। in question 1, let's read question 1. We have two questions here, let's read it. Underline the verb and circle the adverb in the following sentences. Now children, what you need to do, we have 5 sentences here. You have to underline the verb, right। verb means you need to underline the action, okay, and you have to circle the adverbs. Let's do A part, okay। see, he almost finished eating his lunch. Again I'll repeat, he almost finished eating his lunch. What is the verb here? मीन्स उसने अपना लगभग लंच फिनिश कर लिया है या कर लिया था, राइट, कर लिया था बेसिकली, ओके। देन व्हाट इज द वर्ब हियर, व्हाट इज द वर्ब, द वर्ब इज eating, the verb is eating, okay children, and the adverb is almost, sorry children, you need to circle the adverb and you need to underline the verb, okay, please correct it. So all these sentences you have to complete it by yourself and tell me, I'll tell you the correct answer, okay children। now the question 2, fill in the blanks with the correct adverb. Children, we have 3 helping words or adverbs we can say, and we have 4 sentences. We need to write the correct sentence, okay। आपको क्या करना है, आपको यहाँ पर 3 एडवर्ब्स दी हुई हैं, आपको इन सेंटेंसेस को कंप्लीट करना है, ओके चिल्ड्रन। see now do it yourself, you have to do it yourself। just see the example, she works very hard, मतलब वह बहुत कठिन परिश्रम करती है, ठीक है। नाउ यू नीड टू सी वेयर व्हाट विल कम, प्लीज कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन एंड दिस क्वेश्चन यू नीड टू कंप्लीट, ओके चिल्ड्रन। नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन, this is the WS4, right, you all can see, again I'm showing you this, we have completed all these things with the story of Kapil's big game, right children। प्लीज़ रीड इट अगेन, इसको अच्छे से एक बार फिर से रीड करिए आप, ठीक है बच्चों। and also you need to solve this question of WS7। you can, if you have done, then you can match the answers from here, okay children। you can take the screenshot or pause your video, then you can write। now children, in writing and speaking expression, in the last video I told you about the cups strategy, right, means how do you can edit and enhance the sentences। so with this strategy you can easily edit and enhance the sentences that you have wrote or you want to write, right children। again I'm explaining this। C stands for capital letters, capital letters should be there before even we know that proper nouns always start with capital letters, okay children। U means use of subject and verb to make a sentence, subject and verb का use करिए आप sentence को बनाने में। now the P, put one finger space between the words, means आप लोग ऐसे नहीं है कि सारे words को एक साथ join करके लिखेंगे, we need to keep the distance between the words, right। So here what you have to do, you need to put one finger space, okay children, between the words. Now the S spellings are correct. You need to see that are the spellings correct or not. So children, when you write your sentences, then you have to check or you need to follow this strategy, okay children. Now children, what you have to do, how sentences that you have written, आपने जो sentences लिखे उनको speak करो, अपने parents को speak करके दिखाओ, बोल कर दिखाओ, बिल्कुल सही से बोलो. And the writing should be also neat and clean, right? In your notebook you all are writing, और अच्छे से वहाँ पर काम करिए. आप notebook में अपना work complete कर रहे हो ना, then you need to write very clearly, okay children. Now thank you so much. Complete your work. Now your homework is, now children, on WS10 I'm telling you now which is your homework. Question C and D, you have to solve it by yourself, okay children. This is your homework on WS10. Now on WS12, question 1 you have to solve, fill in the blanks with the correct adverb, okay children. Please do it by yourself. अपना थोड़ा दिमाग का यूज़ करिए बच्चों, ठीक है. And please complete your work on time. Thank you so much.